Friends, today we'll create some great experiment and some great new idea. Friends, have you ever imagined what will happen if you put a fish in aluminium paper and put it inside the fireworks? The whole fish is cooked very nicely. Friends, do you know what happens if you leave an experiment in the fridge? The whole fridge was shattered when the explosive exploded. Let's see what happens if we set fire to a toy car with fireworks. As soon as the fireworks are set on fire, the toy car goes a little further and starts to tremble. Now we have set of fireworks inside a toy helicopter. Let's see what happens in this experiment. After setting a firework, the helicopter was slide and fell to the ground again. Now we will test a toy boat in exactly the same way to see what happened here. The boat closes with a slight turn at the front. Friends, have you ever imagined what would happen if you put a doll in the microwave? The toy doll slowly began to bloom. Let's see how the fire inside the cigarette caught fire alone in the experiment.